call the DG to come and carry on with the program. Let me ask.
Mugaru na maumirira ma mwaka muhituku na baya grade A- ni thiete thina gicunji kinene kuria mwaka muhituku ni arutwo 4,645 mari na grade A gukiringithanio na mwaka uyu kuria ni arutwo 2,714 kuria na beyo ithiete thina arutwo 1,931. Akianirira maumirira maya minister wa githomo Fred Matiang'i ni augire ciana nyingi cia airitu niciikite wega kigeranio-ini giki gukiringithanio na miaka ya hau kabere.
When I start telling you the schools that I've done come out outstandingly, you will notice that the bulk of the schools that I've done very well are also girls schools.
Oho ni augire mwaka uyu mathomo ma mathabu na githungu ni mareketwo wega ni arutwo guothe bururi-ini.
In the case of mathematics, it's outstandingly significant. Again, which is evidence that in certain subjects or in certain areas there was a deliberate effort to improve.
Namba ya arutwo aria mari na grade A niongererekeire na imwe kuri mwaka muhituku ni arutwo 141 megwatire grade A gukiringithanio na mwaka uyu kuria ni arutwo 142. Ona thengia ya uguo namba ya arutwo aria mekuingira university ni itanyitwo guikuruka gukiringithanio na mwaka wa 2016 kuria ni arutwo 88,431 mahotire gukinya marks cia kuingira university. Riri aririta ria mbere kuma riria kigeranio gia KCSE kiambiririe. Umuthi kigeranio giki ni kirekereirio mbere ya mambura ma gukungwira Christmas. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.